What is that? Oh, it's Elemental for Disney and Pixar. I love Disney. Disney is my favorite. I need to go to sleep tomorrow. The next day. 1 minute, please. Oh, good morning, friends. It's 29 from April of the 2026. I'm so very excited. Let's go wake up Ginny. Ginny, it's time to wake up. Oh, hello Bitsy. Good morning. I'm so very excited. Let's go to watch the news, friends. Sparks and Buddy. Sparks and Buddy, what is that? It's the cat's news. We need her help. Here's the smart and here the strong. Let's go. Because the super kitty call is hard to rings. Kitty cat, kitty cat. It's the super kitty call. A trouble night, baby. A trouble night, you see. Their families who fiercely meow respond to the call. Booty. Bitsy. Nothing can stop the celebrating. Oh, let's go to this another cat. What the super kitty call rings and become a superhero. Calm. What to call him? Buddy and Sparks. What her dress to color? Purple, orange. That sounds amazing. Let's go. What was that noise? Bitsy, is that you? Yes. It's just my belly. It's my belly. Ginny is rumbling. Do you want to eat? Yes. I think about breakfast. My tummy is rumbling. Please, give me some food. What the? What? Why is my belly is rumbling like that? Do you want to eat, Bitsy? Bitsy, why are you confused? Because my belly says, feed me. Your belly says, feed me? Yes, says feed me. I'm so starving. Don't worry, Bitsy. Don't be so sad. Let's go to get food on your because your belly starts to rumble because it's gonna to gurgle.